Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called Garfield Gains Weight. I never met Laxina and I didn't like it. His second book. Television can be habit forming. I've been watching it all day. Would you like me to turn the TV on, Garfield? That would be nice. You've got to stop watching the all-night movies on television, Garfield. But of course, last night was an expectation. Who could possibly turn off the Barrymore Film Festival? Bang, bang, eek, smack! Okay, I'll change the channel. I don't like violence. I hate television. There are too many commercials, reruns, and game shows. The 8 hours I watched yesterday was terrible. Television does only so much mindless drivel. Glossy adventures, sex, and violence. Ain't it great? Yawn. Smack, smack, smack. Oh my. Just look at that gorgeous sunshine. Mother Nature certainly uses every color of her vast palette to paint a dawn. Truly blessed are we, the early risers. Have you ever seen more beautiful sunset, Garfield? I must have overslept. Garfield, you are distinguishing Sylvanie, sloppy fat. Poor John. He obviously has a disgusting Sylvanie, sloppy cat fat, confused with the big bonded. Brenda, meet Garfield. Hi, Garfield. Is Garfield a dig? He's a cat. Oh, that really hurts. Crash. Face it. Garfield windowsills just are built for queen-sized felines. If you take one bite off my pie, Garfield, I'll smack your fat little paws. If I can't have it, neither can he. I'll bet you can't wait to see what you're having of cat food when you're having for dinner. I'll bet I can. Here it comes. You can cut the tension with a knife. Liver! Hooray! Hop about, clap paws, sequel with glee. Now I wouldn't say you're fat, Garfield, but when you sit around the sofa, head the tails ties. Heads he lives, tails he dies. Kick. Let's see. Iron Band-Aids, gauze, Bilwa, small straight jacket, helmet, pan, shampoo, gloves, rinse, conditioner, blow dryer, brass knuckles, towel, rope, elbows, pads. Garfield's bath day? I think I'll do some jogging. Okay, go feet. Reckon the little suckers just weren't in the mood. Garfield, I'd appreciate if you wouldn't read over my shoulder. Read over my shoulder? Stay away from my chicken leg, Garfield. Aw, stuff it in your ear. Meow. What was that? Oh. Gee, I wonder which shirt goes better with my slacks. Lyman, could you give me your opinion on something? Sure. What can I do for you? Forget it. Lives. He's trying to tell me to turn that heat up. Hey, guess what, Garfield? Somewhere on me is a kitty munchie for you. Maybe that wasn't such a good idea. Yeah, I'm gonna give you a bath, Garfield. You and what, the army? You and what the army? You and what army? Okay, I give up. You can go. I hate cold floors in the morning. Nobody likes cold floors. But we cats have to put twice of them our feet on them. That's great to have on cold nights. As long as you don't mind the crowd conditions. Bark, yip, row, rift. Garfield, howdy. Why don't you boys go fight outside? Garfield, get off the piano. Talk about stilling one's creative talents. There's one nice thing about being a cat at the dinner table. Everything you touch is yours. What's a 6-letter word for paid, Garfield? Ah! Crack, crock. Is that a 3 or 4 R's? Scrap, Garfield, stop! It's been freezing out there. You say you want me to eat this hamburger pookie and this chicken and this laxana? You gotta go a long way to find this teddy bear as old Pookie here. Smack! Hey you, come back here and fight like a teddy bear. What am I saying? Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!